The math
Hello,
is amazing.
everyone. Hello, everyone.
So,
Gotta
you
get a
know,
picture first, right?
yeah,
I'm gonna have a
we
wall
wanted
in
to
my
ask you
house.
like a kind of a serious question. This
Sure
time.
thing.
What would you do, if anything, as president with what's going on over in Australia with the wildfires? And I mean, it's just crazy over there right now.
Yeah, and, we all felt the same way when the Amazon was burning too. When you're like, oh my gosh, like the amount of emissions from like those kinds of fires will undo a lot of the positive things you're trying to reduce in other parts of the world. I think that we need to try and build like a UN for climate or World Trade Organization for climate, because we're only 25 years or so away, in my opinion, from someone geoengineering in a way. Like if you were a tiny Pacific island and you were going under the water and you had something you could do to like try and save your island, you would have done it. It's just they didn't have the resources to do it. But we're going to be in a position where there's going to be a major power that looks up and is like, hey, like I'm going to try and reverse this thing. So we need to try and convene countries so that we can work together on this and no one's off doing it on their own. At the same time, we can't do nothing either. We can't let problems in other parts of the world just develop.
We got to wrap, guys. I'm sorry.
Zach, stop rushing us.
No, I'm sorry. It's not you.
So,
Yummy, 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 yummy.